The idea behind yoga philosophy streaming is to explore and understand how the philosophy of yoga can help us sort through contemporary challenges that we face. And so, whereas most traditional study of the philosophy of yoga is kind of historical and looks back at what philosophers of yoga have suggested we should do, yoga philosophy streaming applies the philosophical heritage and resources of yoga to addressing and sorting through contemporary challenges that we face, right, as people today, and especially as practitioners of yoga. Yoga philosophy streaming is a subscription service, so you can join anytime, you can leave anytime. It's meant to be inexpensive, and it's also meant to be continually updated. So I will be publishing a new set of video lectures on applied yoga philosophy every month, and you will have access to the month's material plus the previous 5 months once we get up and running. But the idea is that the material should be updated frequently in light of the kinds of challenges that we face, and insofar as we return to old material, it is because it's relevant.